Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in Canada. On the menu, Nova Scotia fish chowder. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. In the Dutch oven, going to fry up some bacon. Then I add the onions and the spices. Then I add the potatoes and the summer savory. And let that simmer for about 10 minutes. And then I heat up the milk mixture. Then I add the fish to the potatoes. And that's going to simmer for about 10 minutes. Then I add the milk mixture to the potatoes and fish. And here's what it looks like after about 5 minutes. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoy this presentation. Have fun cooking.